One, I wanted to make a video to quickly show you how to create a meeting in Microsoft Teams. So here I am in my Microsoft Teams app. This is already downloaded onto your computer. So if you can't find it, you can just do a quick search and type in Microsoft Teams, and then it should pop up. Okay, so next you click on New Meeting. You type in what you want your meeting to be called. Okay. Then for Teams, they do require you to add attendees, so you don't have to add specific parents. So this link can be used for everyone throughout the week. So I'm just going to add myself. Okay. All right. Then for the dates, 19th through the 23rd. So again, this doesn't really matter because again, anyone can join if they have the link. Okay. And then finally, you can click send. Okay, so now it should pop up in your calendar. So this one, the 5th grade parent conference, that's the one I already created for 5th grade. This is the one I just created as an example. Okay, so let's go back to edit because I want to make sure all my settings are correct. Okay, so I click the 3 dots and I will click meeting options. So then I don't want parents to interrupt my parent conferences if I'm with another parent. So I want to make sure they're in the lobby. So only me and co-organizers. So we don't want anyone else to come in. Okay, so then no, they can't bypass the lobby. So this way only you can let them in whenever you're ready. Okay, everything else looks good. Click save. Okay, so to get the link to share with parents, all you do is click on the meeting again. And then here is the link and you click copy. Okay, then you can share that link with parents however you want. Okay. Now I want to show you how this looks for parents. Okay, so here's my here's our Sign Up Genius. Okay, we had to use Sign Up Genius because class tag didn't work for 2 classes, but it does work really well if you only have 1 class. So in bold, I put the link to join. So all they need to do is click on it. Okay, and then if they're joining via a computer, they don't need to download anything. So they could just click continue on browser and the meeting will pop up for them. Okay, if they join using their phone, they do need to download an app first. So maybe you want to let parents know that ahead of time. Okay. Now I know some of you asked about using Zoom instead of Microsoft Teams. So my only concern with Zoom is that after 40 minutes, I'm not sure if there's any issues rejoining. So Microsoft Teams might be the better way to go. And then finally, if you need help, feel free to reach out to me and I can help you set up your Microsoft Teams meeting.